you guess 70 elements by their symbols? Let's get right into it, starting with the easy level first. What element is this? Hydrogen. Can you guess this one? Oxygen. Carbon. Nitrogen. What element is it? Sodium. Can you guess this one? Chlorine. Potassium. Can you name this element? Calcium. Iron. Copper. What element is this? Zinc. Magnesium. Aluminum. Can you guess this one? Sulfur. What element is this? Phosphorus. Helium. Neon. Can you guess this one? Argon. What element is this? Lithium. Beryllium. Can you guess this one? Fluorine. Bromine. What element is this? Iodine. Platinum. What element is it? Silicon. Now get ready for the medium level. Can you guess the name of this symbol? Silver. What element is this? Gold. Mercury. Can you name this element? Lead. Tin. Nickel. Cobalt. Can you name this element? Manganese. Chromium. Can you guess this one? Boron. Strontium. Can you name this element? Barium. Cesium. Rubidium. What element is it? Titanium. Can you name this element? Vanadium. Gallium. Germanium. What element is it? Arsenic. Krypton. Xenon. Can you guess this one? Cadmium. What element is it? Antimony. Uranium. What element is this? Borium. Time for the hard level. Are you ready? Can you guess this one? Indium. What element is this? Lanthanum. Samarium. Can you name this element? Europium. What element is this? Gadolinium. Can you guess this one? Terbium. Holmium. Can you name this element? Lutetium. Thallium. Can you guess this one? Bismuth. Polonium. Can you name this element? Radon. Francium. Radium. Can you name this element? Actinium. Thorium. Curium. Can you guess this one? Einsteinium. Fermium. Can you name this element? Rutherfordium. How many did you get right? Comment down below. Like and subscribe if you want more challenges like these. Bye!